Hello dear students, let us solve a numerical problem related to lens maker formula and combined focal length of two lenses in contact. The question is, a thin equiconvex lens of refractive index 1.5 whose surfaces have a radius of curvature 24 cm is placed on a horizontal plane mirror. When the surface between mirror and lens is filled with a liquid, a pin held 40 cm vertically above the lens is found to coincide with its own image. Calculate the refractive index of liquid. Solution. Here in this diagram, this is a horizontal plane mirror on which equiconvex lens of glass of refractive index 1.5, mu g is given to be 1.5, is placed. The space between mirror and lens is filled with a liquid, and a pin held vertically upwards at 40 cm above the lens is found to coincide with its own image. Means when object is placed at this point, this height, then its image is formed at the same height. Then we have to find the refractive index of liquid, mu L. Solution. As it is clear from the diagram, this is glass lens and liquid also forms a liquid lens which is plano-concave lens. One surface of liquid lens has infinite radius of curvature and the other surface is getting its shape from the glass lens, but being concave, its value will be negative. We know the combined focal length of two lenses in contact is given by if capital F is the combined focal length, small fg is the focal length of glass lens and small fl is the focal length of liquid lens, then it will be given by 1 upon capital F is equal to 1 upon F of glass plus 1 upon F of liquid. Suppose this is equation 1. Again, if we see this diagram, if this point is the combined focus, then the ray passing from this point vertically downward will be incident on plane mirror at 0 degree, therefore will be reflected back. Again, any ray coming from focus will become parallel to principal axis, and again on the plane mirror it will be reflected back. Similarly, this side also ray coming from focus will become parallel and will be reflected back. Means this point will be the focus, combined focus, so we can write this as capital F. Now for liquid lens, now for glass lens, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R is equal to 24 cm because it is equiconvex lens. So 1 upon F glass will be equal to mu of glass minus 1 into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, which is 1.5 minus 1 into 2 by R, which gives 0.5 into 2 means 2 into 0.5 upon R means 24, which is 1 upon 24. So, now equation 1 can be written as 1 upon F liquid is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon F glass, which is 1 upon 40 minus 1 upon 24 is equal to 120 is LCM, 3 minus 5, which is minus 1 by 60. Again, from Lensmaker formula for liquid lens, 1 upon F liquid will be equal to mu liquid minus 1 into 1 upon R1 dash plus 1 upon R2 dash, where for liquid lens R1 dash is infinity plane surface and R2 dash is equal to minus R, because its value is same as that of glass lens, but it is diverging, minus 24 cm. This is showing the diverging nature, concave. So, 1 upon minus 60, this one is equal to mu L minus 1 into 1 upon infinity minus 1 upon 24, or plus minus 1 upon 20, 1 upon infinity plus minus 1 upon 24, 1 upon infinity is 0, this is 0. Therefore, minus 1 upon 60 will be equal to minus 1 upon 24 into mu L minus 1. Minus minus cancels out. 24 can be taken here. So, 24 upon 60 is equal to mu L minus 1. This is 2 upon 5 means 0.4. So, mu L will be equal to 1 plus 2 by 5, which is 1.4. So, the refractive index of liquid will be 1.4.